I think probably the greatest compliment you could give any of us was, we're gonna make an attraction out of your movie. And then to walk into the space, just stop, breathe, listen, and take in the world. I think that's what Walt was looking for.
Disney will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
By bringing people together, we can push the limits of technology to pursue something mind-blowing.
Arendelle is so much a part of me, and
I remember wondering, can we pull this off?
How do we continue to advance and evolve what the Avengers Campus can be?
You're gonna plunge, you're gonna dive, you're gonna see the world. It just comes to life.
Oh, right here.
The amount of details, you kind of want to explore everything.
You have to have great ambition. You have to dream big. You have to have a wild imagination.